Hey guys, today I will show you how to draw grid line from Fullmetal Alchemist. First, we'll start with a circle and a cross. Let's indicate the jaw and draw the jaw line. Let's indicate the hairline. The ear starts from the eye line and go all the way down to the bottom of the initial circle. Let's draw the neck. Fullmetal Alchemist has a semi-realistic art style, so the neck will be thicker than the average anime neck. Let's draw the hair starting with the bangs. All the bangs start from the same general area, keep that in mind. Let's finish drawing the hair and the head. We need some guidelines to indicate the eyes, the nose and the mouth. He'll be looking slightly up, so the nose will be like this. Make sure the eyebrow starts a little bit below the eye line to get the right look. The pupils don't touch the eyelashes. I'm going for an open mouth, so I'll think of the guideline as the center of the mouth and I'll use the space I have. Remember that the chain is important and the mouth shouldn't be too big. Let's start drawing the body. It's 3 times the width of the head. To draw the crossed arms easily, finish the upper arm and then go to the other one. Drawing hands can be challenging, so I'll make a video about it later. For now, break down the hand into simple shapes to simplify the process. Now for the clothing. Let's start with the collar. And now for the vest. At this point, you just follow the reference. Oh, and don't forget the most important part of Link's body, the ponytail. Now for the inking. Nothing special about this step. Just make sure you don't mess up. Let's clean out the pencil lines. The next and final step is shading. I'll color the hair with a black marker and shade the skin and clothing with pencils. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you found this video helpful. Suggest some tutorials or characters you want to see me draw in the comment section and subscribe for more. I'll see you later.